Hello everyone, my name is
Eyespecs.com.
Thank you for watching.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model
make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a
GG0407O,
joyful
color
day.
code 003. It's a black color frame. It has a silver Gucci logo on the temple, and it has a blue detailing at the end of the temples. And on this side it also has the Gucci silver logo, and at the end of this temple it's a red color. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo on them. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card over here. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day, everybody.